In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data from other forms in Jotform tables. First, let's get started by opening Jotform. Once you've launched Jotform, you'll land on your dashboard. Now on this dashboard, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled My Tables. This is your gateway to all your Jotform tables, the place where your data is stored and organized. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. When you do, you'll see a list of all the tables you currently have. It's sort of like the central hub for all your data. Once you're viewing your tables, you'll need to create a new space to bring in data from another form. For this, you'll want to click on the New Tab option. Imagine this as opening a fresh canvas where you'll soon connect to additional information that you need to integrate. After selecting New Tab, you'll be prompted with several options. Here, you need to focus on Table. Click on Table, as this is crucial for setting the foundation on which your connected form data will appear. Now comes the fun part, connecting your form. With the Table option selected, you'll be prompted to Connect Form. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to pull in data from any of the forms you've created or have access to. By selecting this, you're essentially creating a bridge between different sets of data, enabling greater insights and unified information access. When you click Connect Form, a list of all your forms will pop up in front of you. Take a moment to scroll through and pinpoint the particular form you want to connect to. This is the form whose data you want to import and work with within this new tab. Once you've found the form you're looking for, go ahead and select it. Now what you've done is set up a dynamic link between your current Jotform table and the form you've just selected. This means all relevant data from that form will now be accessible directly within the new tab you've just created in your table view. If at any point you need to unlink or adjust the data, you can always go back and modify this connection. As you explore and use this functionality, it becomes clear how powerful it is to have all your form data integrated in one space. This connectivity will not only save you time, but also enhance your data analysis capabilities, allowing for more efficient workflows. In summary, utilizing Jotform tables to connect different forms empowers you with a versatile tool to collate and analyze data seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you effectively manage your data with Jotform tables.